What's the meaning of chain smoker? Chain smoker. Chain smoker.
Chain smoker. Chain smoker. A chain smoker is someone who smokes cigarettes continuously, frequently lighting a new cigarette with the butt of the previous one. This habit can lead to several negative health consequences, such as lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory problems. Chain smoking is often associated with addiction, as habitual smokers may experience intense cravings for nicotine. Additionally, smoking can be an expensive habit, both in terms of the cost of cigarettes and potential medical bills associated with smoking-related illnesses. Overall, chain smoking is a harmful habit that can significantly impact a person's health.